We solve question number 1 part 2. Find dy by dx by making suitable substitution. It means we'll substitute any variable instead of this term. So let this term, we consider this term. We consider this in a term. First of all, we take this in term as u. U is equal to x plus under root x. So y is equal to under root u. Now this we name equation 1 and this we name equation 2. Now we can see that from equation 1, in the right side variable is x, so we will differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. So u d by dx is equal to d by dx x plus under root x. X plus under root x. Here we apply derivative. First of all, we apply derivative x. So derivative of x with respect to x is always 1 plus derivative of under root x. So here again we will do one more step. D by dx of x, d by d of under root x. Now we simplify. Dx by dx will become 1. Or derivative of x with respect to x is always 1 plus derivative of any power term is d by dx x raised to power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So here n is 1 by 2 n x n minus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2. And x raised to minus 1 by 2. When we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become plus 1 by 2. And plus 1 by 2 we take in the denominator, plus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 will come under root. 1 plus 1 by 2 under root x. So du by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 under root x. Now we solve equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to, here we can see that in the right side variable is u. So we'll differentiate equation 2 with respect to u. Y dy by du is equal to d by du under root u. So 1 by 2 u 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 u minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2. This is the same process as we do in the upper portion. So 1 by 2 power of any variable, derivative of any power variable is equal to nx n minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2. When we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2 and positive 1 by 2 value is under root. Value of under root 1 by 2 is under root. So 1 by 2 under root u. So dy by du is equal to this term. is equal to this term 1 by 2 u and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus become minus 1 by 2. When we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2 and positive 1 by 2 become under root. So by using chain rule, now by using chain rule, and how to apply chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx, and another variable we multiply and divide du by du. So by putting values, dy by du is equal to 1 by 2 under root u, dy by du is equal to 1 by 2 under root u. So 1 by 2 under root u, and value of du by dx 1 plus 1 by 2 under root x. 1 plus 1 by 2 under root x. Here we can see that u is equal to x plus under root x. So 1 by 2 is under root x plus under root x. So when we take LCM, 2 plus 2 under root x plus 1 divided by 2 under root x. This is our required answer.